Hey guys, it's Mark again, checking in. Thought I'd do a video. Today is the 2 week mark of the post-op, so I just want to give you guys an update. Overall, man, I feel incredible. I mean, I can't believe it, to be honest. The pain I had before, it's just gone. It's absolutely gone, and I can't believe it. And I just feel the discomfort from the surgery, just the incision and muscles being tight and all that. But as you can see, the most of the bruising is gone. The incision looks good, everything's off. I mean, I couldn't be happier. I've already started some rehab, some strengthening, just try to really, I'm just trying to prevent the atrophy. So I actually still do some upper body workouts, but just on my left side. Obviously, just lower body and some cardio stuff. But again, my whole goal was just to prevent some atrophy before I start lifting again. So I'll continue that for another month or so until the doctor releases me fully. Um, However, I did have one setback that I'm not real happy about and definitely not proud of, but I felt like I need to share it with everybody, knowing that I was going through this whole deal without pain meds. So about a week ago, I woke up about 1 o'clock in the morning in probably the worst pain I've ever felt in my life. And it was just this nasty burning feeling that I couldn't get it to stop. I tried laying in every position. I had the ice going. Obviously, I was just doing the anti-inflammatories and muscle relaxers, and I was in complete agony. And I'm not one that goes to doctors for many reasons at all. But after about an hour and a half of trying to get it to calm down, I finally just said I have to go to the ER. So I did. I was in beyond my threshold of pain, and I don't know what happened. I still don't know what happened, but regardless, I did end up in the ER, and they did have to give me a shot of a narcotic pain medicine that I reluctantly let them do because I was just miserable. And so I got the injection, and they also gave me a couple Valium just to help me calm down and try to relax. And about 3 hours later, they sent me on my way and told me to go check in with my surgeon. Um, at that time, the pain was under control, and the next day I did get in with my surgeon, and he he knows my goal of doing this without pain meds, and he advised me strongly. He's like, man, just take something for a week. Just get by for another week, and you'll feel much different. And knowing that the pain I had gone through, and I reluctantly said yes. And he did put me on 20 milligrams of oxy, and I've struggled with it since for the last week. I just have this debate going on in my head because I'm so against it. And then on the other side, I can't believe how good I feel because I'm able to do, I guess, more range of motion and more therapy because the pain's not there. So I'm so torn between it, and I'm constantly thinking about how I got to start tapering off of it. But given that these oxys are time release, you can't cut them in half or anything like that. So I got to figure out a way to get off of them very quick in my eyes. I do follow up with my surgeon tomorrow, and I'll kind of see what he says. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm ready to already come off of them, but I don't want to stop them suddenly. I don't feel like any kind of addiction or anything is taking place, is what I'm really afraid of. But I'm anxious to get off of them as soon as possible. But I know I was trying to do this without pain meds, and believe me, I was devastated when it got to that point that I couldn't push through it. But anyways, I just have to deal with it, and as long as I recognize that I won't let it get to an issue, I think it's okay, and I'm just gonna, it's a short-term process for me that I just something that I had to do, I guess, unfortunately. So I do have, like I said, the 20 milligram oxys that I'm taking, one in the morning and one at night. I still have my Celebrex, the anti-inflammatory, and then the muscle relaxers that I just take at night to help me sleep. And I gotta say that the combination of all three of those allows me to rest and even sleep on one of my sides, which I wasn't able to do before that. So I have been thankful for it, but I just have this mind game that goes on in my head because I just don't like it at all. So, but anyways, I wanted to at least share that, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated because I'll be off of it real quick, and hopefully the pain won't come back with it, which I hope I'm far enough along now that it won't. But overall, I think this is going to be one of those surgeries that I'm going to say I wish I did 5 years ago. I mean, the pain that was there, it's just not there. I can't believe it. It's a small milestone, but it's huge for me that I haven't been able to cross my arms like this in 13 years. And if I would try, I would look like this, and I would just end up having to hold my arm. But I was at my son's baseball game this weekend, and I was just doing this naturally, and I looked down, and I couldn't believe it. And I was just sitting there smiling with a stupid look on my face, and my wife was wondering what was up, and I was like, I haven't been able to cross my arms in 13 years. So anyways, so I know I'm headed in the right direction because, like I said, the pain's just not there. I have the discomfort just from the incision, everything feels tight and that type stuff, but overall, I can't believe how good I feel right now, and I hope it continues, and I definitely will keep everyone updated. So anyways, thanks for listening. See you guys soon. Thanks.